So the workflow checklist, let's go into the admin section and show you how to set it up. So in the checklist tab, you have a plus button and you can simply add whatever you like to your workflow checklist. Whenever you create an item, it'll ask if you want to go and update all the database records with that checklist. So we've got a few things here. The COVID vaccination driver's license working visa. If I go to a candidate record, we now have a tab called the checklist tab, and those items are there. So as soon as they appear, you can check them off to say that they're complete. So it's a method of making sure that your candidates comply with whatever information you require a candidate to have to make sure they're properly registered with you. That information can also, or a checklist can also be applied to a job. So here we have a job and we have a job checklist. And again, now this information is separate because every job is going to have a different requirement compared to the candidate checklist, which is your personal company checklist for what you want your candidates to have when you bring them in. Now, when they apply for a job, you want to make sure that they have specific things for that job. So you can create your own checklist for a job here, add whatever item you want. So let's say CBR certificate. And we can add that to the job checklist. And now when you go to the long list of a job and the workflow area, you will see that there's a red checklist item, which will need to be checked for each individual before they will be allowed to be put forward for that job. In the company area, we also have a default checklist area. So here you can add specific things that a company will want, and whenever you create a job, these items will be automatically added to that job. It's a very simple process and very easy to use.